Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Josanja Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am having a small collaboration with Manon Petit from Canada. I am very honored to be working together with her. We were chatting the other day and she suggested that maybe we should do a collaboration. So we went ahead and just agreed that we were freestyling. There were no rules, no colors were chosen, so it's going to be very exciting to see what Manon comes up with. And I, as you will see in the pour, decided to go with the Pride colors because it is Pride Month this month. So that's why I stuck to that. What else can I say? I will be given information, blah, 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 blah. Can I show the painting? This one. Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Josanja Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the honor of being in a collaboration with Manon Petit from Canada. We were chatting the other day and she suggested that we should maybe do a little mini collaboration, just the two of us. So that's what we decided to do. We didn't set any rules with regards to colors or sizes or techniques. We agreed that we could just freestyle. So I'm very excited to see what she came up with. If you have followed the collaboration, she will already have been on now, so you will already have seen her piece, and my piece is this one. There, yeah. It is a TLP Pride color open cup pour. But I'll tell you more about that in the actual video. Yeah, so if you haven't already checked out Manon's video, please go over and check it. I will leave a link for the video in my description below, and also below there'll be all my mixing ratios and everything, the colors and so on and so forth. So enjoy, sit back, hope that you like this video, and see you soon. Bye. I am working on a 50 by 40 or 40 by 50 centimeter canvas. The colors quickly: Artist Loft Soft Body Black is the base coat. And then I'm only using, well, almost only using TLP, the Maraschino. And I'm using the TLP Mango. All these are obviously the rainbow colors. So another one, Submarine from TLP. And then we have the Echeveria from TLP. We have the Sapphire from TLP, and one of my favorites, the Violet Rain. Not to call it Purple Rain. Also from TLP. I will add a little white, Artist Loft Soft Body Black, white, sorry, in the mix, as well as the DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold. And as you will see, I'm just putting on the base coat here. I'll show you a few of my little fails. I had a big problem, issues with making this pour. I had 3 failed attempts on a doomed canvas. It seems it was a 40 by 40 deep canvas, deep edge canvas, but I decided to go for this 40 by 50 instead, and I'm pleased with the results. Very much so. I did decide to add one extra color that I already had mixed up. It is the Pebeo Studio iridescent blue-black, as you see. I thought that was a great addition to the whole thing, but yeah. Apart from that, as I already said, this is a collaboration with Manon Petit, the extremely talented Manon Petit. She has some really amazing artwork. So if you do not know her, I really suggest that you go check her out. Check out her Instagram, check out her YouTube videos. She is an extremely talented artist. So go check her out. The link is for her. There's a link for her YouTube channel or for her YouTube video for this collaboration in my description. And yeah, with that said, right now, as you can see, I'm just adding the colors and they're beginning to come out under the cup, which is always interesting to see what exactly happens. The bright colors can be a little bit tricky. That's also why I had the fails, I guess. But it worked great in this open cup pour, so I really love it. One thing, maybe I would not add the white next time, because I don't know if it actually added to the whole thing. I did try to be careful not to put it next to the red because I didn't want pink, and as you see, I put gold in between some of the colors just to have a little extra sparkle. And I'm pulling this one cup, dragging it, and then I'm doing another open cup pour with the rest of the paints. So I think that I've blabbered enough. Blabbered? Yeah, enough. I'll just be playing some music from now on, and I might come back in the end when I'm showing you the flyover wet result. So, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And you have a wonderful day, and I'll be back at the end of the video. Enjoy the music while it's playing.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer.
And here you have the flyover. It came out really great, I think. I love the the cells and everything. The mix of the colors really came out great. As I said, the white over here, as you can see, I'm not sure that it was a good addition. This part is the blue-black from Pebeo Studios, iridescent blue-black. Unfortunately, it ran off. My canvas was not level initially, so a little part of the bottom part ran off. But all in all, yeah, really love it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Excuse me. There'll be some still photos now, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye.